This tractor pull, we got the best of the best. All the big dogs are here tonight. A lot of horsepower. This is the end of the season, so this is kind of the state championship here.
We're here at San Antonio. This is our third year to have our finals here. We got 7 classes, good crowd, a lot of excitement. Couldn't ask for a better track.
Driving the Bullfrog Hot Farm feels awesome to win. It's the best place to end up the season.
That's awesome. I haven't been to one since I was a little kid, so this is great. I love it. Loud and fast.
Most of our guys look forward to this deal here at the Freeman Coliseum every year.
You should come out next year. You're missing it. You're here out here tonight.